In the yard, in a yala. Leave me, my friend. Osimi is okay. Osimo in the yard. Where are you guys now? Eh? I've been here since 12 o'clock. But I don't know. What is it now? Chance or again? What is it? Therefore,
the MC said that you should start coming now. Everybody is in the hall.
Everybody's in the hall?
Yes.
My club people don't come there. Nicola Abiago? Me market Abiago. My line people. How much did they contribute for this wedding? No one aboard no one money. Chuki GSS don't come.
Okay, can ever only so moon.
I go no Abiago. Ballista aka celebrity Ballista Tony Abasele is it there? Ah! Okiba Agwata open na Cosmilla is it there? Yeah.
MC Chetuna na Abia.
Hello, is it green upo there? Big Shoe don't come. Another associate. They did there. Ego Mili did there. What of Dr. Igwe do Coco Klisa? Can I talk about Big Ben did there. Who's in the pond? Did there. Peter Ibuaka, he did there. So who did there? The yard. In a yala. Leave me, my friend. Osimi is okay. Osimo in the yard. Who's in the pond? Don't they there? Kekwano only they go is in the fire. Biago kwano. Came money they there. What of other Japan? Did you see him there? Which people now they there? Chairman no Munna. Tell him he can go. In short, tell the MC to announce that if the woman want to go, let them go. Tell him to be clacking joke. That is why I paid him. Let him be clacking joke. You want to go? When all these men come, I will enter. Don't forget about me. Jebe.
Few minutes later.
Is it again?
The club,
okay, club people don't come. Wait, my club men, they don't have way to sit down. Which people are inside that place?
I told you, it's the Umada, the Omun, and then the yard people, our neighbor people now. Ichioka.
One day yard Fanaba. Tell the yard people to leave that venue. They're not going to put money for this wedding. Tell the yard people, Ndia Wada Naba, Eluna Wada, Ayafu. When I go, tell our Wada people to stand up, let the club people sit down. Can you look at another? Get it? You have smoke again, chance.